computer's password or your laptop's password, and you want to open PDFs or Excel sheets which are password protected and you don't know the password, right? So it may be Windows 7, Windows 8 or Windows 10, and it may be any document, like it may be a Excel sheet, it may be a Word document, or it may be a password protect PDF. Then with the help of Iseepassword you will be able to retrieve your data back. Okay, so only 3 steps will be there. You just need to perform that 3 steps and you will be done with your password, right? So if you don't use this Iseepassword, then the traditional way of resetting the password and all, okay, so what we will be doing generally, we will be reinstalling the operating system if we forgot our Windows password or Mac password. So that is very risky and it will erase all our data. But data is life, so we can't lose our data simply. So to reset the password, in order to fulfill this criteria, Iseepassword has given cutting edge technology and software solutions which will reset your password within 3 clicks. Okay, so I will just go through the website once and explain you how the things will be working so that you can get an idea, and I will also show you the brands and number of users and how much countries it is, in how much countries this Iseepassword is operating. Okay, so I will just walk you through this one. Okay, so the products which they are offering, okay, so you can see millions of users are there who have used the Iseepassword products. Okay, so first one is Windows password recovery. So you may be using any Windows 10, 8 or 7 XP. So without erasing a single bit of data, you will be able to recover your password or open your laptop, personal computer, any other device. Okay, and Excel password recovery. So if you have forgot the Excel sheet password, then you will be able to recover it with the help of Iseepassword, and the same thing applies for iTunes passwords recovery. So if you just forgot your iTunes password, iTunes password, then you will be able to open that one with the help of Iseepassword here. Okay, so PDF password recovery solution is also available on this website. Okay, so you can see almost everything which is needed in this world is available regarding the softwares. Okay, so you can see around 7 years of experience is there on okay, so for this Iseepassword developers, and they are making a good, really good work for society, and it is covering a huge amount of area, like 128 plus countries and territories all over the globe, and it has got millions of satisfied users. You can see 16 plus million users are there, and it has been mentioned in 211 plus tech sites. Okay, so they have mentioned the Iseepassword website's name in their website or in their product, that they are helping the people. Okay, so you can see some of the codes which users have given, like what they basically feel about Iseepassword. So I can read one for you. Iseepassword Windows Password Recovery Pro is by far the best password recovery tool available. So it's a fast and easy enough for user to reset forgotten password with only a basic knowledge of Windows. So don't worry, you need not to be a hacker to reset the password, right? So you just need a basic knowledge. So if you are operating computer, then you will be able to do the password resetting process by yourself, because the Iseepassword is giving you full details how to reset the password step by step. They will be explaining you each and everything, right? So I will just walk you through the products which they are offering. Okay, so they are offering the products at very low prices. Okay, so it is nothing to buy. Okay, so product center, you can see the hot products which they are offering are Windows password recovery, Excel password recovery, as I mentioned in the front page itself, then ISO editor, and also PDF password recovery they are offering, iTunes password recovery and Word password recovery is there, iTunes backup extractor is there, Android screen password removal. So this is very important, guys. or many of us we have faced the problems in Android. So if your phone has got stuck or if you forgot the password for your phone, then you can remove that one with the help of this Android screen password removal software. Okay, so then ISO burner is there, password recovery for bundle is there, and Office password recovery is also there, folder locker pro. Okay, so that is also there, and Mark PDF watermark creator, Mark PDF watermark remover is there, and bootable USB creator. So the things which you can imagine are present on this website. So each and everything which you need in your life is offered by the Iseepassword recovery solutions. Okay, so and if you come to the store, you can see a lot of things here as well. So which the Iseepassword is offering you. So the password recovery software, their cost will be something like this. So for Windows password recovery, they are only charging $29.95 here, and Windows password recovery for Mac, they are offering it at very low price of 39.95 cents and $29.95 for Excel password recovery. Okay, so you can see they are giving a $10 discount for all the products here, right? So you can see the different prices here, right? So for Windows and Mac, they are offering around $29. Everything is $29, and ISO burner is at $19. Okay, so you can just go through all those things, right? So now I will just show you one of products, and also I will show you how to use this one so that you can get an idea how to do that one. Anyhow, they will be explaining each and everything once you buy this product. But I will just click on the Windows password recover software here. So you can see there are two versions. Free trial version is there, and one paid version will be there, and you can see a good rating of 5 stars out of 5. Okay, so this is very good, guys, and I think there is no reason to why should you there is no reason you shouldn't be giving a try for this one. Okay, so now 3 steps to recover your password or reset your password. So the first step will be, okay, so the first step will be to like creating a CD or a USB burner which will be having the software inside that one. You can see download to any accessible computer. Okay, so the one which is easy to access, like so don't use it in your locked computer, because then you will not able to use that one. Then install and run the program. So you just download the software the Iseepassword is offering on a computer, whichever computer is there, and then create a bootable CD, DVD or USB flash drive. So you can see there are two bootables. Okay, so one will be CD or DVD and other one will be USB. So you can use either of them. And then third one, boot from the burned CD, DVD or USB flash drive to reset your forgotten passwords for Windows. Okay, so only 3 steps. First step, second step, and 3 steps. So now I will show you how to create the CD DVD burner, right? So if you have not a password reset disk, then you can create one with the help of this software also. So there are two options: make a bootable CD or DVD. Otherwise, you can go for making a bootable USB flash drive. So you can see there are both options. This is USB and this is disk. So both can be used for resetting the password. Okay, so you can easily make a password reset disk with the iOS image file product by Iseepassword program, and nearly all computer offers the USB boot option. You can fast create a bootable USB flash drive as well with the Iseepassword tool. So need to take time to buy CD or DVD. Just you need a CD or DVD. So you can just create, and then you can just reset your password. So you can see what can the Iseepassword Windows password recovery pro do. So these are the things which are offered in the pro version. So recover or reset all user administration passwords, reset domain administration password, reset passwords with a bootable or a CD DVD, reset password with bootable USB drive, 100% recovery rate. It will be given 100% surety here, and supports FAT16, FAT32 and NTFS. All those things or all those types of files are supported here, and Windows 10, 8.1, Windows 8, 7 and Vista XP and Windows Server, all those things will be supported there is no need to worry about the versions here. You can see there is a comparison between Windows, the Pro version and the advanced version here. So advanced version will be offering each and everything, but if you are not willing to take advanced version, at least you have to take Pro version so that you will be getting the good facilities. Okay, so you can be buying it only for $29, and if you go for advanced version it's only $49. Okay, so you can see the screenshots also they have mentioned, and they have written each and everything in detail so that whenever you are resetting the password you will be able to do it easily. And they have also got a smart support system 24/7 where they will be responding to your each and every query. Okay, so with that said, just end the video here. So I hope you learned something from this one, and please make use of this one and visit Iseepassword for all your computer related problems. Okay, thank you guys.